Hi, this is a demonstration video for the scavenger hunt in Unit 5, Section 3, Lesson 1. To begin, you'll want to print the recording sheet that can be found by this link. So you print this sheet. This is for your workings, to write down the item that you collect each time you stop somewhere on the scavenger hunt. And on the left here, you're going to write down the letter associated with the problem that you're completing. To begin the activity, you're going to click on the scavenger hunt icon and it will bring you to this. So Ms. Clemens Brent was in a hurry on her way to work this morning and left her book bag on the roof of the car. When she got to work, she realized that the bag had been open and she lost the contents in her bag. Help Ms. Clemens find her belongings, solve the following percent problems to collect the items. So you'll proceed through this the way you would any PowerPoint or any Google slide presentation. So press your space bar. The directions are as follows. You choose where you start, so you select any square on the grid. You're going to copy down the letter associated with that problem. You're going to complete the problem in the space on your record sheet, and then on the bottom of that slide, once the problem is complete, you're going to record the item that you find. This is the board. So if I click on M, for example, so you can start wherever you want. If I click on M, it takes me to this question. It says 120% of what number is 27? So I would find my answer. Whatever my answer is, I'll record that on my sheet. Down here in the bottom right, I would click on that to collect the object that fell out of my book bag. And once I have that recorded, I go down to the arrow on the left and I click that and it'll take me back to the main page. So whatever my answer was to the question that I just answered, I then look for that answer on the board. So say I found the answer was 18.75. Then I would click on that card. And there's another question. Ozzy bought a Bluetooth speaker on sale for $99. The original price of the speaker was $159. What percentage did they save? So again, I would answer the question. I would record my workings on the recording sheet that you printed. Down on the right hand side here again, I would click on this to reveal the object that fell out of my book bag. And then once I have that, I go back to the main page by pressing the arrow down on the left hand corner. And I would proceed through as I did with the previous slide. So I would find the answer to the question that I just had. I would click on that card and go through. There are 20 questions, which means there are 20 items that you will collect that fell out of my book bag. Once all the questions are completed, you can check your answers against the answer key. So I can go back to Brightspace, and down here on the bottom of the icon, it says once you're finished, you can use the answer key to check your answers. So I would click on that link and a PDF will pop up. It will be a circular diagram indicating the letter order for the questions. So you would just find the letter that you started at. So on the top of your record sheet, you would find the letter that you started at, and if you had it completed correctly, you would follow in the clockwise direction, and the order in which the questions proceed is the order in which you should have had your answers. Enjoy and have fun.